And now, let's take a look at playback. First, how can we know that a video channel is currently being recorded to a storage archive? As long as you can see a red R button on the right upper corner of the surveillance cell, you will know that this video channel is currently being recorded. If you want to see the playback of the video channel, just click the surveillance cell and click Playback. And then Lumi Center will switch the surveillance cell from live view to playback. Click the Start Playback button and you can view the playback. You can adjust the arrow so that you can jump to a specific time point and start to view the playback from that time point. If the video channel is being recorded simultaneously to multiple storage archives, you can switch to different storage archives using the panel here. And then Lumi Center will read the recordings in that archive. You can also drag to a specific time point to view the archives. Click the pause button here to pause the playback. Click it again to resume the playback. Click the plus button or the minus button to adjust the speed of playback. To go back to live view, just click live view. And now you are back to live view. If you want to see the playback of all the cameras in the current layout, just click playback. And Lumi Center will load the recordings of all the video channels in the current layout from the storage archives. You can also switch the storage archive, if any. In this case, the playback will be simultaneous for you to tell a situation from multiple angles. In playback mode, we also have the option to add a comment. To add a comment, first we need to freeze the frame. Click the timestamp to freeze the frame. And now you will see the comment button. Click comment. Now you can add a comment. You can also add privacy mask in the comment. If you are adding a privacy mask in playback mode, you can actually extend this privacy mask to the next frame. Now to do it, click Go to the next frame button. Sometimes you have to click this button a few times so that it can jump to the next frame. You can adjust the privacy mask in this new frame. And when you finish, click Add Point. And now this privacy mask has been added to this frame. Click Save to save the comment. And now you will be able to see and search this comment in playback.